you can only receive what you feel safe having, right? That's why visualizing is so important. I was thinking about this earlier, like staring at a tree. But the importance of visualizing and imagining is that when you see it in your mind, oftentimes, well, all things are created in the mind first, right? All the things around you started here. And the reason they're able to manifest is because when they were here, the body felt safe, right? So if you think about something, whether it's money, and you constantly resort to like negative thoughts around bills or expenses or debt, you now are forming a negative relationship around money, which is ironically repelling you away from the things you desire. Whereas if you think about money in a positive light, then you are creating safe space. So a good recognition, a good signal of that is when you're imagining the things you want, if it's relaxing your body, if it's bringing you pleasure, if it's causing you to smile like naturally, you know,